Welcome to PICO Interactive. Our headsets are built with your business in mind. In this video, we use the Neo 3 Pro model to show you how to clean your headset, including the lenses, and replace the facepad. Before we begin, a few important tips to protect your headset and lenses. Avoid contact with sharp objects during use or storage to prevent scratches. Do not expose the lenses to sunlight or other bright lights, as this may cause permanent damage to the screen. An important reminder: this video details general tips to keep your headset clean. If you are sharing a headset with others or are working in a sensitive environment such as healthcare, always follow local health organisation guidelines for proper disinfecting and hygiene protocols, including the use of UVC-based cleaning solutions. You can use a slightly damp cloth or hand wipes to clean the headset case and facepad. Wipe the surfaces of the headset and facepad evenly and allow them to dry. When cleaning, never pour or drip water or other liquids directly onto the headset. Try to find wipes that are disinfectant, hypoallergenic, non-abrasive, and residue-free. Products containing alcohol can be used on all surfaces except lenses, as this can cause damage. Products containing bleach should not be used, as they may damage your headset. After drying, you can wipe the headset with a lint-free cloth. Wipe from the centre of the lens outward to gently remove dust or stains until the entire surface is clean. If necessary, you can use a very small amount of lens cleaning solution on a lens cloth. Carefully clean the facepad with a disinfectant wipe in the areas that are in contact with the skin. Never attempt to clean your facepad by washing it in the machine. If you need to remove the facepad for more thorough cleaning or for replacement, gently pull the facepad away from the headset to remove it. This will allow you to thoroughly wipe the surfaces inside the headset and facepad. Remember to allow the surfaces to dry. To reattach the facepad, simply place it on the headset as here. Now press along the inside edges of the facepad to make sure it snaps into place on the inside. Go all the way around and make sure the facepad is firmly attached to the headset. If you notice that the colour of the facepad has changed, the surface is cracked or has become sticky over time, even after cleaning, these are signs that it is time to replace it completely. It is recommended to clean the strap, the headset facepad, and the controllers after each session, especially in multiple user situations. Your headset is now nice and clean and ready for use. Thank you for choosing PICO Interactive. Our headsets are built with business in mind.